And that's it. Your lens is clean and good to go. Cleaning your lenses is something that you should do to make sure you get the best quality out of your lenses. Can you imagine taking a photo and then reviewing the photo and seeing a bunch of dust or hair particles on your lens? Yeah, that's what's gonna happen if you don't clean your lens. So I'm gonna show you how I clean my lenses and what I use, and it's actually pretty simple. I use a lens cleaning kit by Zeiss, and this is what it looks like. And I like this because it comes with 10 pre-moistured tissues. It comes with a dust blower. It comes with a 30 milliliter bottle of cleaning fluid. Also a lens brush and a microfiber cloth. And really that's all you need. So I'm gonna show you my method of cleaning my lens. Let's get right to it. So the first thing I do is to take my dust blower and just blow off the loose dirt and dust on the surface of the lens, like so. When I'm done with the dust blower and blowing away all the loose particles that are on the lens, next I take the moisture cloth and in a circular motion, I clean outward, like a circle. Just to prevent any, streak lines forming on your lens. You don't want that, trust me. So I hope you learned something cool today about how to take care of one of these bad boys. I know when I first got these, I had no idea what to do to take care of them. I didn't know what material to clean them with, but now I hope you've learned and you're gonna go out there and get yourself, one of this really easy to use lens cleaning kits, and clean your lens and keep your pictures looking sharp, people. So if you're interested, you can check out some of my work on Instagram at Kachi the BC. You should see a link up here somewhere. You can just click that and go. And I'm gonna be posting some more photography videos on here, so please subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think about this video. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. So, bye-bye.